Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Klatch, and today we're going to be making a bunny pillowcase cover. I went into Cricut Design Space and I selected images. I typed in bunny. The bunny I want to use happens to be the first bunny, so I clicked Insert Image. The pillowcase that I'm wanting to use is 18 by 18, so I sized it to be about 10 inches wide by 8.2 tall. You can change the material color to match the vinyl that you're going to use, but since this is a single cut, it's really not that important. And then I clicked on Shape, and I selected Circle. I sized it small enough to where it would be about the size of the bunny's eye. And I put it in its place, and I highlighted both bunny and eye, and I clicked attach. That now makes it one cut. Then I clicked make it. You just need to load your vinyl onto your mat, and then you can cut. Originally I was going to go pink, but then I found the silvery white glitter iron-on, and I thought I would try that instead. This is a super easy design, so I'm just going to pull off the excess. And here's our bunny. Now I'm going to put it on our pillowcase. So working right on my craft table, I have a towel set down and I have a thin towel that I can put over. So here's our bunny. And I like the glitter contrast with kind of the rougher burlap type of fabric. So you kind of want to figure out where you want it set. You want to warm up your fabric. Once you warm up the fabric, you can put your bunny down. You want to get them kind of as even as you can. Seems pretty close. I'm going to put my cloth on there, and I have it on the high heat setting with no steam. Then it says you want to warm the back side. And follow the directions of whatever vinyl you're using. Okay, then I'm going to heat it up again. Then I'm going to quick go over the plastic. It should want to peel up. If there's any part that isn't wanting to peel up, go back with the tip of your iron and get it. Here we go. And there's our bunny. Now, I want to embellish this just a little bit. I tied a bow with this pale pink ribbon. And now we're going to glue this on. I have hot glue and I have regular glue, so we could do it either way or both. I'm going to do a little bit of both. Put a little hot glue on there to keep it in place while the other glue dries. Place it down. And now I'm going to do the very same with my little pom-pom for his butt. Get a little hot glue. I'm going to put it right here. And now we have this cute bunny pillow. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to cover my couch pillow with this cover. I shoved my couch pillow into the case, and now I have this cute little decorative pillow that can sit on my couch for the holiday. So be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. You can find these covers online or at Hobby Lobby, probably other places too. And if you don't have a cutting machine, you can still do something like this. You can find iron-ons online, and then you could just iron stuff on and just add little dimensional parts to kind of customize it a little bit further. I hope you guys like the bunny pillow. I hope you give it a try, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.